Do you want to turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat? You can remove Snap two-step verification with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you are on Snapchat, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen. From here, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down and select two-factor authentication under the My Account section. A new screen appears with different options. To disable two-step verification, simply uncheck the checkbox next to SMS verification. A pop-up dialog appears. From here, tap on Disable. Likewise, if you have enabled the Authentication app, uncheck the checkbox next to it and confirm. Sometimes, you may need to re-enter your Snapchat account password to confirm the changes.